Why does our health fluctuate with the seasons? According to Aiden Say Lee's teachings, nature's rhythm plays a crucial role in shaping well-being. For instance, during spring, energy surges while in winter, it diminishes. This harmony with nature enhances vitality and aids recovery. The timing of meals aligns with sunlight, maximizing nutrients and minimizing waste. Remember, eating breakfast with the rising sun boosts metabolism. By observing these cycles, one can foster deeper connection and health. Embracing nature's elements enhances resilience against illness. So, how does the natural world influence your lifestyle and healing?